Hello student, today my topic is ozone. Trioxygen, this is the formula. Ozone means first smell. In Greek, it is allotrope of carbon. Uh, it was discovered by Van Marum in 1785 and Schoben in 1840. It has rotten smell. It's high if it is in high content, then it is poisonous. It check the entry of ultraviolet rays to the earth and protect earth from the ultraviolet rays. So recent research have expressed concern over a big hole developed in the ozone layer, which is also called ozone layer depletion because of CFC carbon, chlorofluorocarbon. So the method of preparation on passing silent electric discharge through dry oxygen at low temperature. This is to be considered very clearly because all the three processes just contain silent electric discharge through dry oxygen at low temperature. This is the main common thing in all the three processes. Oxygen is converted to ozone called ozonoid oxygen, and the apparatus used to producing it is known as ozonizer. So there are three types of process. First is Siemens ozonizer, second is Brodise ozonizer, third is Siemens and Halske ozonizer. Now first is Siemens ozonizer. In this U tube is made up of a tin foil and electrode is placed here. One is anode and another is cathode. Now dry air is enter in from this entrance point, and it is the lab method in two concentric. This is the concentric. You know the concentric. So the two concentric tube sealed together at one end, the inner and the outer surface are coated with the tin foil and act as a electrode. These are made up of a tin foil, and these are act as a electrode at the terminals are there. So when these are the induction foil. When this induction foil pass through the current, silent electric discharge is passed through them. At low temperature, oxygen gas pass through these concentric tube and converted into ozone. So when the current is passed through in this tube, so the dry oxygen converted into the ozone. So it yields 10 to 15% of the ozone. Now Brodise ozonizer is this apparatus contain H2SO4, sulfuric acid. One tube is narrow, another tube is broad, and the this copper wire electrode is placed inside the H2SO4, and the induction coil is there which pass current inside it. When dry oxygen pass through this tube and induction coil pass the current, then at silent discharge the ozone produce. Now third one is Siemens and Halske ozonizer. In this iron metal box is taken for two aperture is there which just let out the ozonide oxygen and water, and this is the cold water passage and this is the dry oxygen. So this two rod made up of a aluminum rod, and which is just stand over the glass plate placed at the bottom, and this rod is made up of a glass or a porcelain tube, and both the aluminum rod connected to the induction coil. So this ozonizer is used to industrial preparation. This method is used for industrial preparation. Previous both the method are the lab method. So it consists of large iron box fitted at the insulator glass plate at the bottom. A large cylindrical aluminum rod made up of a porcelain are vertical placed on the glass plate. This is the vertical placed on the glass plate at the bottom. Aluminum rod act as an electrode and are cooled by passing cold water, where they from here we pass through the cold water. Now dry oxygen fed to the cylindrical tube. From here we pass the dry oxygen and this pass to this cylindrical tube, this side cylindrical tube where the arrow is made. So it is rises up and O2 gas partially converted to ozone. 5 to 10% ozone is obtained from this method. When ozonoid pass through the spiral coil cooled by the liquid air, then it condenses. When it passed through the spiral coil and cooled by the liquid, then it condenses. That means vapor changes again into water, into the liquid ozone, which is fractionally distilled to the get pure ozone. Further cooling and at low pressure, black violet crystal of ozone is obtained. So my question is, what is ozone and how it is obtained? Thank you.